Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to tell you how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. So let's get started with the video. So let's assume this is the particular post which I have posted here. I want this image to be on the first and I want to change the order. So in this case, what you need to do is click on the three dots that you see at upper right side. And this window will come. You need to click on edit. So just scroll to the picture which you want to change the order of, and after that you need to click on the delete icon that you will see at the left side. Just don't worry, we are going to delete it, but we are going to arrange it in the order that we want. So in order to do that, we need to delete the particular image for which the order we want to change. Click on delete. For example, these are the two images which I want to be on the first, and after that I want this one to be next, and then click on the save. So once this have been saved, what you need to do is click on the three horizontal line that you will see at upper right side, and after that here under settings and activity you need to click on your activity. Here you will get an option of recently deleted under removed and archived content. And here you will get all the posts that you have basically deleted. What you need to do, just click on that particular image, and after that you need to again go to the three dots and then click on restore. Do it for both the images. For example, I want this one to be on the top, to be on the first one, so I will restore it at the last. Again click on restore. So basically these pictures have been restored again in the post, but this time the order of the photos on Instagram post have been changed. Let's check it. So as you can see now, the image which I wanted first is on the first now, which was on the last. So order of the images have been changed now. So this is how you can basically change the order of photos on Instagram. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.